Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle this Range Rover Velar D200 Edition with an eye-catching Byron Blue exterior complementing the Matrix LED headlights. This Velar also comes fitted with 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels as well as keyless entry and privacy glass. This Range Rover Velar also benefits from having one previous owner as well as remarkably low mileage. I'm now just opening up the power tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. Stepping inside the Velar now, we're just going to take a look at the electric window controls as well as the driver seat memory function, Meridian surround sound system and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with 12-way electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and a voice control. And then coming up to the interactive driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, I've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the rear camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Velar now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.